am April May P. Alwage from BEd 1B from GEC 1C. For this video, I am going to share with you the lesson about the simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is an interest that is calculated on the balance but not on the previous interest. In getting this, we have a formula: interest equals to principal times rate of interest times time. In order to better understand it, I am going to read a problem and we're going to solve it using the given formula. Example number 1. When Ken bought a new laptop for his work, he borrowed 5,000 at a rate of 15% for 1 year. How much interest did he pay? We have 5,000 as our principal and 0.15 as rate of interest and 1 as our time. We have interest equals to P RT, and in order to get it, we have to substitute the given data. 5,000 times 0.15 times 1 equals 715. Ken will pay 750 in interest. The example number 2 is Justin deposited 20,000 in a bank account which pays 5% simple interest per year. Find the value of his deposit after 4 years. We have 20,000 times 0.5 times 4 is equals to 4,000. We have to accumulate the value of principal and interest, and it is equal to 20,000 times 4,000 is equals to 24,000. Therefore, Justin's money will be 24,000 after 4 years. In simple interest, if the rate of interest is not given, we have a formula: rate of interest equals interest and divided in the product of principal and time. To better understand it, we have a problem here. Pablo got a 100,000 loan for 2 years. She paid 700 in interest. What was interest rate? The answer is 700 divide 200,000 is equals to 3.1%. The next example is this. Stel borrowed 50,000 for his business on a bank. He will pay it for 500 for interest in 2 years. What was the interest rate? We have 500 as our interest, divided 50,000 as our principal, and then times 2 years. The answer is 500 over 100,000 is equals to 5%. In simple interest, if the principal is not yet given, here is the formula. Principal equals to the interest divided on the product of rate and time. We have an example here. Sabrina borrowed 10,000 on a bank at 9 interest for 5 years. How much money did she have to pay back? We have 10,000 as our interest and 0.09 as our rate of interest and 5 as our time. The answer is 22,222. Therefore, Sabrina will pay 22,222. And this is the end of my video presentation. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.